Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YTEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was just yesterday, and now you look at where the price closed up there, sure, it did pull back from its high some, but still, relatively speaking, where it was yesterday to where it is right now, any rational person going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a good, solid move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $1.45. Why is $1.45 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.45. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, then there you go. Now you have progress being made in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. What about levels of resistance? So if this move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? Key one going into tomorrow, and just the only one I'm going to talk about, and I'll explain that in a second, is right up there at $1.58. The reason I'm just talking about one level of resistance is, in my opinion, breaking resistance levels, not really a huge priority right now. Top priority in my mind is more so just going through some healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases being built over time, then everything else will take care of itself from the charting perspective, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher bases, and then just sit back and let the price movement do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.